The project has been a great privilege. One of the strap lines from the very beginning was revealing the glory, and we chose that because I was very conscious of the fact that the cathedral was already beautiful, but we needed just to reveal what was there and the mystery of God reflected in the building.
When the cathedral was originally consecrated, it was a difficult time for the church. It was re-establishing itself in the nation, and there was a great deal of work to be done in making it a plausible and active faith in England and Wales. And it was an important moment to centre on this cathedral as the mother church of a growing diocese, growing quickly because of the migration of so many people to come and work here in the Industrial Revolution. And it was a point of a focus for people's faith and the interpretation of gospel values for that time.
We realised it needed to be a full restoration when we started to look at the amount of repairs needed. It wasn't just one area, there were roof repairs, stone repairs, as well as a need for increased seating capacity.
When we first went round externally, the building looked in quite good condition, but when we actually got up there and started getting up close and personal to the stone and giving it a tap and a feel and a wobble, there was quite a lot of deterioration. There was a lot of stonework that needed repairing. So we've been on every square inch of the cathedral, every bit of stones had a bit of a makeover.
One of the biggest challenges is balancing the needs of the cathedral against the rest of the diocese, and it had come to a point where we needed to do the work on this cathedral. The non-negotiables were actually making the building structurally sound and making the cathedral sustainable for the future.
Normally as a Catholic priest, most of my time would be spent with the Catholic community. This has given me the opportunity to work with people of many different faiths, from many different professions, and what's inspired me is the way that all those people together have been very clear about the task at hand, and they've worked collaboratively towards a common goal, and it's just been inspirational.
It's very rare you get the opportunity to pull all these trades into one project. You can see what we've done. It looks absolutely stunning. You know, the stained glass windows fully restored, the decorations are impressive, the bespoke joinery, the cathedra, the flooring, hand carving of the font and the ambo, everything.
The highlights for me are being able to take architectural design through every aspect, so not just the building itself, but looking at furnishings and fittings and decoration, right down to the little details.
You'd never get this chance again, so to be part of it was just a great opportunity.
The passion, and you know, it's quite emotional for the team. It's been a privilege, start to finish.
I was born within the Diocese of Salford. I have seen the cathedral over the years. So for me, being part of a project that restores the beauty, restores the glory back into the cathedral, brings back the colour, brings back the textures within the cathedral, that's really, really important.
I feel really such pleasure in seeing this church restored to the splendour that it originally had, that it is a real sign of people's faith. It's an encouragement to people who will visit, and I feel very much encouraged that we have a church now which accommodates so many more people, and we are ready to celebrate our faith here again.